So when it comes to warming up for a workout or getting ready to train, I have a myriad of things that I do or different routines that I use depending on what I'm about to do. So this one is specific to kicking a heavy bag. When I'm about to work on my kicks on a heavy bag or put a heavy emphasis on my kicking during heavy bag rounds, this is a quick routine that I do just to get to open up my hips and strengthen my foundational leg, and just to be ready to get my kicks dialed in. It's just two simple movements, right? And I've just found them to be very effective. The first one is when you step up to your bag, you're going to take this step here, and then you're gonna put your shin up onto the bag, right? Hook the bag, and your hand has to be here. You have to be touching the bag. When I have people do this, they get a lot of weird stuff. They're leaning back here, they're barely touching the bag. This is why it's actually important that you do have bags available to you that are actually touching the ground. Some viewers have asked me that. Why do you have some that hang and swing, and why do you have some that touch the ground? Well, this kind of warm-up can only be done on one that's actually touching the ground, or if you have like a freestanding water bag or something to that effect. So we're here again. I put my shin on the bag, right? Nice and high. My foot is turned properly, and I grab the bag like this. This way I can open my hip. You see that? Good. And then I kick off the bag. That little push off the bag with my foot gives me the whip on the end of my kick. So I'm here, I take a step, line my shin up, use my hand, push, open that hip, good. Push off, yes. Okay. Up, here, push, open that hip, push off. One more time, take that step, line up my shin, open my hip, push off. The next movement is you're gonna take a step, and it's not really about opening this hip and being clean on the striking leg. We already did that. Now it's about strengthening and warming up the foundational leg, the leg that we're gonna stand on when we kick. So, march, we take our step, you're gonna elevate straight up, and you're just gonna snap the back, boom. That's it. Remember, you're focused on this leg, elevating, right? So we step, now foot goes straight down, and then just elevate, strengthening this leg. Okay, let's take a quick moment to talk about this video's sponsor, which is me. Check out my new Thai pad work course. It's available now with a 30% discount with the discount code. This course has been approved by NASM and AFAA for personal trainers to receive their continuing education credits. This is a comprehensive course that will help you not only with throwing your strikes, but holding pads properly, and it also helps you learn how to train properly on a heavy bag and how to get your clients training properly on a heavy bag. So if you just train, or you are a trainer or a coach, this course will benefit you. So be sure to check it out. Okay, my routine is done. I'm ready to kick the bag, right? I'm marching, take my step, elevate, throw my hip at the bag, open everything up, get my dragon's tail to whip on the end, and throw some good roundhouse kicks. Remember, throw your hip at the bag. I always tell people, visualize that you're like actually trying to hit the bag with your hip, and then the dragon tail whips on the end, and all that power comes with it. Of course, using your torso and your core to give you power as well. We're here. So, pretty quick, very easy. Give it a shot. See how you like that and how it helps with your warming up your body for your roundhouse kicking or your heavy bag work. As I mentioned, I have a lot of different routines, as you've seen on the channel. So be sure to check out all those routines. pick and choose. It's like a buffet. You'll find something that works for different parts or different types of training that you're doing from day to day. As always, please be sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.